Hey, growth gurus, happy Friday. Yesterday, we dove into advanced social media advertising strategies, but today, let's switch gears and talk about a quick SEO win you can implement in just minutes. At CDM Suite, we're all about transforming your online presence one tip at a time. And today's tip is all about optimizing your page titles and meta descriptions. Think of these as your website's storefront. They tell Google and users what your page is all about. A clear, compelling title and description can significantly boost your click-through rates. Our data-driven approach ensures these crucial elements align perfectly with your target audience's search intent. So, here's what you need to do. First, dive into some keyword research. Identify the relevant keywords your audience is searching for when they're looking for products or services like yours. Next, craft compelling titles. Make sure to incorporate your primary keyword naturally and keep it concise. Under 60 characters is ideal. Then, write engaging descriptions. Entice those clicks with a benefit-driven description, keeping it under 160 characters and including secondary keywords. Once you've got those nailed down, implement the changes. Update your website's page titles and meta descriptions using your CMS. Finally, track your results. Keep an eye on your search rankings and click-through rates in Google Search Console. Here's a quick case snapshot for you. A local restaurant saw a 25% increase in organic traffic after optimizing their page titles and meta descriptions for local search terms. And if you're ready to supercharge your online presence, why not schedule a free strategy call with us today at cdmsuite.com. For more in-depth details and tips, check out our latest articles. And if you're thinking about starting a newsletter, there's no better time than now. Beehive, founded by some of the earliest employees of the Morning Brew, offers an all-in-one publishing suite with built-in growth tools and best-in-class analytics. Try it absolutely free with no credit card required. That's it for today, folks. Prefer a once-a-week roundup instead of daily tips? Head over to cdmsuite.com and click to subscribe. Have a fantastic weekend